officers.
And we're here to teach you a dance.
The dance is From Now On from The Greatest Showman.
And this is a step-by-step tutorial.
Let's get into it. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start out with some stomp slaps. So you're gonna stomp on the beat with your right foot, and you're gonna slap on the and count with your right hand. So it's gonna look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. So after that, you're gonna turn and you're gonna go 7 and 8. And I'm just kicking out with my right foot, putting my right arm back, and then I'm switching, kicking out with my left, and then my right one more time. So, all the way through, that's gonna look like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time, that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
You do the kicks, then you bring your right foot back on 1, then you bring your right hand down on 1, and then 2, 3, prep for return, 4. So again, it's after the kicks, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, after the kicks, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we're gonna put the whole thing together from the top. Ready? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just finished your pencil turn on 4. 4. So you're gonna go down with your right hand, up with your right leg. 5. Then you're gonna switch to the other side. 6. Switch back. 7. Up. 8. Prepping for a character turn, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So faster, you land here on 4, 5, 6, 7, prep up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put it all together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Down 1, 2, prep 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, prep 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it faster. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Down 1, 2, prep 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go ahead and rewind this video, pause as many times as you need. Practice, practice, practice. But now, let's add music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now that you know the dance, we want to see you do it.
The easiest way for you to do this is to open the TikTok app, select the audio From Now On, and set up your phone with your front-facing camera vertically and make sure that it's on 60 seconds instead of 15 seconds. Important information. So after you get a clip that you are super satisfied with, you're going to want to screen record or save it, and then you can send it to us on Instagram DM, or you can email it to Elena at zimmermaned@students.osd.wednet.edu. Good luck!
Yay! Thank you so much for joining us and learning this dance.
Come hang out with us at drama club meetings on Wednesdays.
Bye! Dance.
Come join us for
No, let's start that again.
Okay. Ooh, this is the one, guys.
That was good.